In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Teams app. Keeping your Microsoft Teams application up to date is crucial for the latest features, security patches, and performance improvements. An outdated app might lead to compatibility issues or missed functionalities. Fortunately, updating Teams is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure your collaboration tool is always running at its best. The very first thing you'll want to do is open your Microsoft Teams desktop application. Once it's fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the Teams window. This area typically displays your profile picture or initials, alongside various settings and control options. We're specifically looking for a small, subtle icon or notification indicating a pending or available update. Sometimes it's a small banner or a specific icon, but it consistently appears in this general region. Ensure you're not in full screen mode or have overlapping windows, as this might obscure vital indicators. A quick glance at the top right should immediately show if Teams has an update to notify you about. Now carefully scan that top right panel we just discussed. What you're specifically looking for is an obvious indicator that an update is ready for installation. This often appears as a banner at the top of the Teams window, or a small prominent notification near your profile picture or settings icon. It might literally say "Update available," or display a small vibrant dot or arrow. If you see such a message or icon, it's a clear signal a newer version of Microsoft Teams awaits. This means Microsoft has released improvements, bug fixes, or new features since your last update. If you don't see any notification, your Teams app is likely running the latest version, or it updated automatically in the background. Don't worry if it's absent, as automatic updates often handle this seamlessly. Once you've spotted that crucial update available indicator, whether it's a banner, a notification dot, or an update icon in the top right, your next action is straightforward. Simply click on it. This confirms to Teams that you're ready to proceed with the update. Clicking the notification usually won't immediately restart your application or interrupt current tasks. Instead, it typically initiates the download of update files in the background, or it will prompt you with a small dialog asking if you'd like to update and restart. It's important to click directly on the update prompt itself, as clicking elsewhere might dismiss it without starting the process. This step acknowledges the new version's availability and prepares the application for installation. After clicking the initial Update Available prompt, you'll generally be presented with a more explicit option to update and restart Teams. This is the final and most important step to apply the new version. Upon clicking this button, Microsoft Teams will begin the actual installation. The application will close momentarily to install updates and then relaunch itself. This restart ensures all new files and configurations are properly loaded. Any ongoing meetings, calls, or unsaved work within Teams will be interrupted, so it's wise to save drafts or finish urgent tasks before proceeding. Once Teams restarts, you'll be running the most current version, benefiting from all the latest enhancements. You might even notice a small splash screen upon relaunch indicating a successful update. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure your Microsoft Teams application is always up to date. Regularly updating your software is a best practice for security and functionality, and Teams makes it very user-friendly. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your Teams updates, ensuring a smooth and efficient communication experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.